Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is September the 15th, 2018, and I want to talk to you today about the tuberous begonias. Because we're in September, I have stopped feeding mine because they're going to be going dormant soon. I live in Pennsylvania, so they're not something that can stay outside. I'm going to have to take them out of the ground and store the tubers inside in a frost and freeze free area. So I'll be doing a video on that then when I actually take mine out. But the reason why I stopped feeding them is because I want them to start thinking about going dormant. We do have some cooler temperatures that are going to be coming up in the forecast, so it's kind of going to start forcing them into going dormant, and you don't want to be dumping food on them when you need them to be going dormant on you. So this over here, this is one of the caladiums. This is starting to already actually go dormant. So I just wanted to give you that quick update on there. Now, what some people do is they actually pinch all of the blossoms off of their begonias when they're going to start letting them go dormant. What that'll do is that is supposed to put more energy into the bulb for flowering and coming up the next year. That's not something that I do. I've never tried it. Mine get fed pretty good, so I don't worry about that. But this one here is a non-stop rose picot, and it's one of our favorite begonias. I love the coloring and the petals, and this is the leaf. You can see the variations in the leaf. So these are definitely going to have to come out before a freeze. A hard frost could damage them. I usually, if I know a frost is coming, I actually take frost covers, which I'll put a link down below for some of the different frost covers that I've used. They've come in handy a lot, and I use them every year. I use them in spring and I use them in fall. So I usually just, like, if I can't get them out that day, I'll cover them with a frost cover, and I'll try and get the tubers out the next day.